Assalamualaikum, greetings. Today I made this keychain for my pretty audience. Let's get started. First we take measuring cup, spoon, resin and hardener. Add 2:1 ratio of resin and hardener. Means 2 spoons of resin and 1 spoon of hardener. Mixing the liquid for 3 minutes. Mix slowly to avoid the bubbles. Then add prepared resin in the letter mold. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to my channel. After pouring the resin, add dry white flowers. Then add dry red rose flowers. After that, add silver flakes. Leave it for dry to 24 or 48 hours. After dry, demold it. Results. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.